Now we shall come to the next page, page number 32, and we are going to start the next exercise related to the previous comprehension poem only. Okay, read the poem aloud and pick out the rhyming words from the circle and write in the space given. Okay, so rhyming words किनको बोलते हैं? You might have learned strong, long. They are rhyming words. They sound almost similar. उनका last 2-3 letters almost same होता है and they sound similar. That's why they are rhyming. Okay. Told, old, they are all rhyming words. I will show you how the rhyming scheme of the poem is. Here is the rhyming scheme. Strong, long, last two words of the poem, first two lines, they rhyme with each other. Strong, long, एक जैसा सुनाई देता है ना? ONG, strong, long. Told, old, these two words also are rhyming words. Then tell, well, these two words also are rhyming. Okay. Shade, played, these two words also are rhyming. They sound similar, that's why they are called rhyming words. Okay, तो अभी यहाँ से आपको ढूंढना है which are the rhyming words. First of all, strong. Strong का rhyming words कौन सा है? Long. Okay. Well, tell, old, told. Okay. Then shade, played, sky, eye, and you and tree are not rhyming with anyone. Okay, so you will have to write here in the blanks in the stanza 1 which are the rhyming words. I have told you stanza 1 ये है, first stanza. This is the first stanza. उसमें कौन कौन सा rhyming words है? Second stanza में कौन कौन सा rhyming words है? You will have to do them on your own. Okay. Now pick out the words and complete the following sentences. You will have to pick out the words from the poem and you will have to complete the fill in the blanks. Okay. The tree is dash and dash. How is the tree? It is big and stout. Okay. It is a very dash tree. It is a very strong tree. Okay. The tree knew 100 secrets of the children. Okay, it loves those children who sit beneath and play underneath its branches. Okay, if you read the poem, you can easily do it on your own. Okay, then complete the sentences by using the correct word. Okay, correct words you will have to find out of the what is the sentence talking about. Okay, accordingly you will have to fill in the blanks. 100 years is used to tell the age of the tree. 100 years किसके लिए use कर रहे हैं? Tree का age बताने के लिए. 100 secrets is used to tell the naughtiness of the children. बच्चों के naughtiness बताने के लिए, है ना? तो any word you can use here. It is up to you. Now pick out the words from the poem that describe the tree. Tree को describe करने वाले words कौन कौन से हैं? Big, stout, strong. Okay, they are all the words which are describing words or the adjectives used for the tree. Describing words को क्या बोलते हैं? Adjectives बोलते हैं. Okay. Now write true and false for the following sentences. T for true and F for false for the following sentences. You will do it on your own. This is your homework. I will not tell you. Okay. आपको फिर true and false अपने आप करना है. Then this one also is your homework only. Okay. Here answer the following questions. Read the passage and answer the following question. अपने आप ही answer करना है. Who is I in the poem? Whose secrets could the tree tell? This you have to do on your own. Who is I in the poem? First of all, see if we read. Oh tree so big and stout and strong, you have lived so very very long, 100 years and more I am told. Here I am is written. I कौन है यहाँ पे? The author or the poet. जो poet है, जो poem का poet है, वो है ये I. है ना? वही बोल रहा है, story narrate कर रहा है of the tree and he is only the one who is telling about the tree and he is I here. So who is he? He is actually the poet. So what is the sentence? Question: who is I in the poem? The writer or the poet of the poem is I in the poem. Whose secrets could the tell tree? The tree could tell the secrets of the children. Okay. Who sat beneath the tree? The children. Who played under the tree? The children. Okay, so these answers you will write on your own. Okay, match the following with A with the opposites of the words given in column B. Okay, A में जो word है उसका opposite है column B में. See, big. What is the opposite of big? Small. Stout, thin. Stout का मतलब बताई थी, fat. Okay, उसका opposite है thin. Strong, weak. Long, short. Old, young. Friendly, unfriendly. Okay, do it on your own. Read out and try to understand. Okay. Then read the paragraph and fill in the blanks with the words from with column B of the given table. Okay, you will have to do it on your own. The tree was big and strong when it was young. It is as it grew older, it became weak and thin. जैसे ट्री बड़ा होता है, जब वो यंग होता है तो बिग एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है, जब ओल्ड होता है तो क्या होता है, इट बिकम्स वीक एंड thin. The children loved the friendly tree but did not like the crawling snakes or whatever it may be. Okay, paragraph it is not actually snake के बारे में कुछ नहीं लिखा है, but we can add up this word actually on our own. Okay, now make the list of verbs or the action words that occur in the poem. इस poem में action words कौन कौन से हैं, which are the verbs. You have studied about the verbs in 9th class, in 8th class also. Doing words or the action words are called verbs. Okay, O tree so big and stout and strong, you lived. Lived is verb. तुम रहे हो. Okay, रहना, this is an action word. Very very long, 100 years or more, I am told. मुझे बताया गया, बताना, that is also action word. And yet you are not so very old. Okay, 100 secrets you could tell. Tell is verb. If children, of children whom you love, love also, प्यार करना, that is also a verb. Okay, who came, sat, these are also verbs. Okay, beneath your shade or underneath your branches, played, played also is verb. Okay, so you will have to find out these verbs and you will have to fill in the blanks here. Is that clear? Now conjugate the following you might have heard or write the other forms of verb. ये पहले भी पढ़ चुके हो तुम लोग. Other 3 forms of verb: present, past, past participle. Okay, then see, live, lived, lived, lived यहाँ पे पास्ट फॉर्म दिया गया है और फर्स्ट और सेकेंड फॉर्म तुमको नहीं बताया गया, तो यू विल हैव टू कंप्लीट द टेबल. लिव, लिव्ड, लिव्ड. टेल, टोल्ड, टोल्ड, पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म है टोल्ड. कम, केम, कम, पास्ट पार्टिसिपल कम है अगेन. प्रेजेंट एंड पास्ट पार्टिसिपल बोथ आर सेम ओनली. सिट, सैट, सैट. प्ले, प्लेड, प्लेड. बिल्ड, बिल्ड, इट इज बिल्ड, BUILD. दिस इज प्रेजेंट टेंस ऑफ built. Okay, build, built, 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 यही फॉर्म यहाँ भी आएगा. kiss, kissed, kissed. touch, touched, touched. grow, grew, grown. visit, visited, visited. change, changed, changed. find, found, found. love, loved, loved. You might have come across these words before also. 3 forms of verb: present tense, past tense and past participle form. पहले भी पढ़ चुके हो ये, ठीक है. Now given below is a table containing some regular and irregular verbs, forms of verb. कुछ रेगुलर है, कुछ इरेगुलर है. देखो ये रेगुलर है क्योंकि देखो विजिट, विजिटेड, विजिटेड, यहाँ पे ed लग रहा है. चेंज, 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 these are regular verbs. Find, touch, touched, touched. उसके बाद प्ले, प्लेड, प्लेड, these are regular verbs. लेकिन irregular verbs कौन सा है? grow, grew, grown, जिसमें दोनों अलग अलग फॉर्म्स. ed नहीं आ रहा है यहाँ पे, यहाँ कुछ और आ रहा है. EW आ रहा है यहाँ और यहाँ पे OWN आ रहा है. ओके, सो दीज आर इरेगुलर वर्ब्स. यू कैन सी हियर नो, न्यू, नोन, दिस इज इरेगुलर वर्ब. वॉश, वॉश्ड, वॉश्ड, दिस इज रेगुलर. स्पीक, स्पोक, स्पोकन, ये क्या है? इरेगुलर है. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये दोनों फॉर्म्स अलग अलग हो रहा है. ये दोनों फॉर्म्स जहाँ सेम होता है वो रेगुलर है, जहाँ पे दोनों फॉर्म्स अलग अलग होता है, पास्ट टेंस, पास्ट पार्टिसिपल, उनको इरेगुलर बोलते हैं. राइट, रोट, रिटन, इरेगुलर. run, ran, run, irregular. Okay, now identify regular and irregular forms of verb from the list given and put them in correct columns on the table below. यहाँ पे टेबल दिया गया है, यहाँ पे regular verbs कौन सा है, irregular verbs कौन सा है, तुमको ढूंढना है और बताना है. ठीक है, जैसे no है, what is no? It is irregular. no, new, known, तो यहाँ पे वो irregular में आएगा. कहाँ आएगा? irregular में, क्योंकि इसका दोनों फॉर्म्स अलग है. ठीक है. इन द सेम वे ड्रिंक, व्हाट आर द अदर 2 फॉर्म्स ऑफ ड्रिंक? ड्रैंक, ड्रंक, दिस इज ऑल्सो इरेगुलर. राइट, रोट, रिटन, इरेगुलर. कोम्ब, कोम्ड, कोम्ड, इट इज रेगुलर. यहाँ पे ed आता है. प्रेजेंट पास्ट टेंस में ed है, पास्ट पार्टिसिपल में भी ed है, कोम्ब, सो दिस इज रेगुलर. वॉश, वॉश्ड, वॉश्ड, इसमें भी ये भी रेगुलर है. स्पीक, स्पोक, स्पोकन, इरेगुलर. ओके, एंड द रेस्ट यू डू, बाकी सब तुम ढूंढो. ठीक है, डिक्शनरी से ढूंढना और कंप्लीट करना. Okay children, thank you.